Good morning students. How are you? I hope everybody are well. Today I am going to start new chapter, lesson number 2, human body. So students listen. Human body. Our body is made of different parts. Our body is made of different parts that work together to help us carry out various bodily activities. So many parts in our bodies, like first part head, then so many parts in the head: eyes, ears, forehead, nose, lips, tongue, teeth, then neck, throat, then chest. So many parts, different parts in our bodies. Many function of our parts also. So each part has particular function. Each part has a particular function to perform and is called an organ. What is called organ? An organ is a part of your body. An organ is a part of your body that performs a specific function. That performs a specific function like brain, heart, lungs, stomach. We can see some of our organs. We can see some of our organs, such as the eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. These are called our external organs. Which one? External organ? Eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue. These are called our external organs. There are some other organs also that are located inside our body. Inside our body. We cannot see them. We cannot see them. How many types of organs? External and internal. We can see them. This one external organ, like eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue. And there are some other organs that are located inside our body. We cannot see them. We cannot see them. These are our internal organs, such as brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Each organ performs a specific function. A group of organs that work together to perform a particular function is called an organ system. What is called organ system? A group of organs. Which one organs? Two types of organs, external and internal. Then a group of organs that work together to perform a particular function is called an organ system. Our body has several organs. Our body has several organ systems that work together to keep it functioning. So students, look at the right side. Did you know this one? Listen. Our body is made of a number of cells. Our body is made of a number of cells. What is cells? What are called cells? A cell is the smallest unit. A cell is the smallest unit of life. A cell is the smallest unit of the life. Cells are often called a building blocks. Cells are often called the building blocks of life. So what is called cells? Cells, a cell is the smallest unit of life. Cells are often called the building blocks of life. Okay, so our body is made of a number of cells. These are the smallest structures. These are the smallest structures of which all living things are made. Many cells group together to form a tissue. Then again, what is tissue? Tissue means tissue paper? No, not tissue paper. Many cells group together to form a tissue. Tissue means a group of cells. A group of cells which is meant to perform a specific function is called tissue. Okay? A group of cells which is meant to perform a specific function is called tissue. Tissues together form an organ. And organs together form an organ system. Again, I will repeat again. What is called organ? Each part has a particular function to perform and is called an organ. Two types of organs, external organ and internal organ. We can see some of our organs such as eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. This one external organs. Some other organs that are located inside our body. We cannot see them. These are our internal organs such as brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Each organ performs a specific function. A group of organs that work together to perform a particular function is called an organ system. Okay? Then human body comprises of respiratory system, skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system and lymphatic system. So many systems are there in our body. So students, so many system or function in our body. Like respiratory system, skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system and lymphatic system. Next day I will continue. Okay. Thank you.